Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are studying chapter number 19. Today topic is abnormal development. Sometimes under unfavorable conditions, some part of the body show the abnormal development. Tetralogy is the branch of biology which deals with these abnormal developments and causes for such developments. Anything which interfere with the normal process of development is the factor causing abnormalities. The normal process of development is disturbed by the abnormalities inherited from the parents. Abnormalities due to the chromosomes or genes, environmental factors or metabolic defects. Abnormalities are inherited from the parents through the abnormal or defective genes. Abnormality of the development is also related to the presence of defective genes on the sex chromosomes. For example, in hemophilia, only males suffer from this disease. It again depends upon where the gene is dominant or recessive, homozygous or heterozygous. Chromosomal abnormalities result when one of the sex chromosomes X or Y is missing or extra, and these abnormalities lead to the syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome XXY is example of trisomy of sex chromosomes, while Turner syndrome X naught is the condition in which one of X sex chromosome is missing. Another condition XYY leads to tallness, aggressiveness, mental defect and antisocial behavior, and these abnormalities arises during the formation of gametes, while these gametes unite to form the zygote. Environmental factors causing or contributing to the abnormal developments are grouped together as a tetrogens. Ionizing radiations, X-rays are well known for their tetragenic action because they often have their effect on the developing ovum or spermatozoon, causing the damage or the changes, mutation in the genes. Nutritional deficiencies, absence of certain substances, vitamins and trace elements, toxins and drugs even ingested by the mother affect the differentiation of every tissue in the fetus. If such deficiency is high, cell may cause the death of fetus. Metabolic defects leads to the structural deviation from the normal. During the organogenesis, when various body organs are formed, sometimes one organ or its part is missing or it is repeated, and it can result in abnormal organs or body parts and the individuals born are malformed. In microcephaly, the individuals are born with a small skull. Individuals with the cleft palates have their upper lips folded, or the individuals have hair-like lips. In conditions of the fingers in the hand or the feet are the more or less than 5, this condition is abnormality. Thanks for watching.